What's up guys, this is Dennis from SEOBOTS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our brand new LinkedIn profile scraper and what kind of data it will get you. Before I begin, please like this video to support our channel, and if you would like to see more bot tutorials in the future, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Now without further ado, let me begin. So if you would like to know what kind of data the scraper will extract for you, you can click this link right here and it will show you an example output file that you will be able to download once the bot finishes working. So it has all sorts of data, including emails if those are open, of course. It has user location, user current position, name, connection degrees, whether the user is premium or not, birthday, job titles, descriptions, dates, basically everything you have on the page, everything that you can see on the page, which means that if the user made his email or some kind of other private data unavailable, you won't be able to see that. However, you'll still be able to extract a lot of useful insights. Now let's look at this profile right here. So I'm going to quickly walk you through and explain what kind of data you'll be able to extract. So this information right here in the top section will be extracted by default. Things like name, your connection degree, user premium status, current tagline, location, connection amount, and this contact info pop-up. Information from that will be also extracted, and this is where people actually keep their emails and phone numbers. So if you were able to see those they will be extracted also. Now the rest of the information is optional, and you can tune your extraction settings when you're starting the bot, and you can choose whether you want certain things to be extracted or not. So things like experience, things like skills and endorsements, recommendation, accomplishments, and other stuff. So let's click the Start Bot button and try the scraper out. Of course, before you will be able to click this, you will need to sign up for the site, and you will get a small number of test credits so you can test the bot out. So first thing that we'll need to do is give our job a title, but I'm going to skip this one, and it will pre-fill itself automatically for us. Next thing that you will need to do is you will have to provide your session ID. Now, let me explain you how this works. Because the bot will be working on your behalf, it will need to act as a real user, and for that, it will need some kind of session credentials. So this is how you can accomplish that. First, you'll need to go to linkedin.com and log in. Second, you need to install our official Chrome extension. The link is right here. You go to Google Chrome's web store and you click on install plugin, which will be right here. I have the plugin already installed. You can see it right here. This is why I have the remove from Chrome button. So once you install the extension, and once you are logged into LinkedIn, you can refresh your page and this field will pre-fill itself automatically like this. Yep, looks like that worked. Okay, now we have to select what kind of data we're going to be scraping. So I'm just going to scrape the most recent experience. Next, I'm going to skip the profile scraping options. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and scrape education and also languages. Obviously, if a user doesn't have any languages filled out, those aren't going to be scraped and the bot will ignore that. Finally, I need to paste in the links to LinkedIn profiles. I'm going to paste 3 profiles. Speaking of limitations, LinkedIn is very, very strict about scraping, and this is why if you're on a free account, you're only allowed to scrape up to 10 profiles. I'm not sure if it's per day or per 12 hours, but if you're on a paid premium account, you can scrape up to 120 profiles per day. However, if you go over these limitations, LinkedIn will not ban you. Instead, it will limit the speed with which you can access the site. So don't be scared, you're not gonna get banned or anything. Okay, looks like everything is ready. I'm going to disable notifications. However, you can pick whether you want to receive an email once the bot has done scraping, or Slack notification, Telegram, or even get a JSON post request in case you're using your own software to do something with the data later. And I'm going to click the Start This Bot button. Okay, the job was created and it's now running as an active job. Okay, I fast forwarded the video, and as you can see, 2 minutes have passed and the bot has completed its task. So let's go ahead and view the data. All 3 profiles have been scraped successfully. You can see that we have their names, positions, locations, connections, connection degrees, premium statuses, website URLs, Twitter URLs, even an email for one of those influencers, and other data points, jobs, company URLs, working dates, locations. Basically, we have everything. Education. None of these 3 guys filled out the languages they speak, so we have none for all of them, which is sad. I wasn't able to demonstrate the language scraping to you, but you can try it out yourself if you have, polyglot friends. Okay, now you can download this table as a JSON, Excel, or a CSV file, or you can change the visibility status of this web page and send the link to your friends or colleagues. Finally, you can click here and download the results in the desired format. Well, this is basically it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.